Alright, hello, my name's Joey, here at Fallbrook High Autoshop. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove and replace a fuel pump. Now, first thing you need to do, safety glasses, as Connors always says, so put those on real quick. You'll need the Stoner Dream set, as you can see. Stoner Dream set. Get a nice little zoom in on that, Charles. Nice little Stoner Dream set.
What's up, Joey?
I'm recording, come on. I'm recording. Can I do my video, please?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
There you go.
It's okay.
I don't care. Alright, whatever. Alright. No. Follow me, Charles. As you can see, I had already removed one of the terminal nuts, bolts, whatever, off of it. And all that we need to do is remove the lines, and we should be good. Okay, so let me find real quick. Might take a couple of minutes. Alright. Now get up in here real quick. Little flathead screw right here, so then just get it in there and then just loosen it. Just loosen it until it comes out, and we should be good. In about a minute here. That real quick. Let's see if it's loose. Alright. Set this over here. And then just pull it. Make sure your eyes and mouth are closed, or your eyes are covered at least. And try and twist it off. You'll eventually get it. Alright, there's that. And then we just got the main one right here. Get this one. Charles, throw Daniel in the video real quick. Throw him in the video. Alright, yeah. Alright, now this last one. Should be good. Connect. A couple more turns. We should be good. Alright. Set this over here. As you can see, we already have one terminal soldered on because the Z really sucks, and we had to do that last year. So there's going to be another like bolt right here that you got to take off, and then this you just pull off as you did the other one. This one's really hard, difficult I should say. Yeah, it's not coming off. Yeah, just this one normally comes off, so yeah, that's about it. That's how you remove a fuel pump. To put it back on, just do the reverse of it, so